Hello everyone, and welcome back to Everyday GMP, Globally Moves Professionally, your partner to moving globally and getting job professionally. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of Europass CVs, a standardized format widely used across Europe for job applications. Whether you're a recent graduate, changing careers, or simply looking to update your CV, the Europass CV is a great tool to showcase your skills and experiences. So let's get started. Your curriculum vitae is your professional passport, encapsulating your skills and experiences, essential for opening doors to career opportunities. The Europass CV is a standardized document that presents your skills and qualifications in a clear and easily understandable format. It's recognized and accepted by employers throughout Europe, making it an excellent choice for those looking to work or study in different European countries. You can use this format for other countries other than Europe, also only tailor-cut accordingly, and you may remove Europass logo. Sections of a Europass CV. Let's break down the main sections of a Europass CV. Personal information, include your name, address, phone number, and email. Objective, a brief statement about your career goals and what you're looking for. Education, list your educational background, starting with the most recent. Work experience, detail your work history, highlighting relevant experiences. Skills, showcase your key skills and competencies. Languages, indicate your proficiency in different languages. Additional information, include any other relevant information, such as certifications or volunteer work. References, optionally, provide references or state that they are available upon request. Please search on browser www.europa.eu. You will land on this page. This page contains so many buttons. Please hit to Europass CV. This screen will give you so many options. Please visit whole page and hit Europass CV written in purple color. Now you may create an account and can save your CV and cover letters in library and can edit anytime and can update it or tailor cut CV anytime. For your understanding, I only go to guest account, but you may create your own account. Press Europass CV icon now, see whole page, and press hit start from your profile. Select language. You may select any language. I choose English, now chose date format. Enter your first name and second name. You may be Ollie, Raj or John Smith. Complete your name. Write about me, your complete brief introduction as I am IT professional, construction engineer, sales executive having 10 years, 5 years or experience or fresh. This is as an example, results-driven IT professional with expertise in software development, system architecture, and project management. Adept at leveraging emerging technologies to optimize processes. You may change as per your introduction. This portion will be on the first page of CV. Select date of birth and gender, nationality, like Indian, Pakistani, Slovenian, etc. Your social media accounts, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Your address, upload your professional picture, having good look, no household pictures like on picnic or any event. Having clear background and appealing face. This whole will appear on your first page. For better about me summary writing, you may get help of ChatGPT, also for error-free about me description. You can change font size, bold, style. Your experience, courses you attended. Any contribution and achievement. You may add sections. Now you may select the format/color for your CV. I just gave a brief overview for CV writing. When you go to website, you will get more details. This will be saved as PDF. When you create your account, you may save it in library, and anytime you may edit as per job description, you area applying for. Same time in next button you have to create your covering letter. You may get help of ChatGPT also. Using the Europass CV template, to make things even easier, Europass provides a user-friendly online template. You can access it on the official Europass website. Simply fill in the sections with your information, and the template will format everything for you. It's a time-saving and efficient way to create a professional-looking CV. Final thoughts, and there you have it, a brief guide to creating a Europass CV. Remember, your CV is your first impression on potential employers, so make it count. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Everyday GMP for more career-related content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your Europass CV journey.